process going. All right. So the 5T makes it a little bit harder because this is kind of in the way. It just makes it a little harder to deal with. Ideally, you'd want to remove the tire, but I'm not going to. I've got enough tools to make this easy enough. So, looks like we're missing a screw. To address that while we're at home, guys. Alrighty. Look at that. How do you find anything in there? Yeah, I know. Now, you don't technically have to remove the recoil to remove the cover, but I am because it's acting a little weird. I think it just needs a good lube. But anyway, so don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Yeah, she's a little dirty. So. Reverse drill bit. See that, guys? Releases the tension, and then either A, pops the head off for you, or B, unscrews it, as you just watched. Now, moving on. Okay, guys, we're back. We've soldered our connection, and we got our coil flywheel, gap cropper. We got our wires mounted, routed, excuse me, and we're just going to slip this back in. Like that. Always want to make sure we're not gonna catch any wires on our way back in. Double check everything's lined up properly, and we can start putting our bolts back in. Okay, and then as a mechanic, you always want to double check. We got our light on, we got operation, light goes off, light goes on, we're good. Light on, check for spark. We got spark. Light off. Check for spark. No spark. Safety switch installed.